Kita pakai air Miko. Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Abe. I'm your captain. Welcome aboard this Islander flight to Antigua. About 15 minutes flying time. Of course, yeah. 15 minutes flying time, 2,000 feet. Okay. In the front of you, you have a safety instruction card, and life jackets are under your seat. Emergency exits, there are 3. One here, one in the back, and one next to me. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Enjoy the flight.
Thank you.
Okay.
What frequency you are on? 118 with the tower?
1188, yeah. You have a receiver or something?
Yeah, it's in our luggage.
Well, the big luggage.
Yeah.
Too well.
I hope they have it too.